There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Welcome everybody to today's weekly insight call for Flash. Today we're gonna go through how every week we go through different settings, look at the accounts, how they're doing, what we're gonna be changing. So let's jump into it. Let's see what is going on. First of all, let's see the economic calendar. What we have going on in the economic news, that they're have some things to do with the forex market. And we can see here today we have FOMC, what means that the market is gonna move really hard, I think, on this FOMC. And also tomorrow we have a lot of news on euro, also on USD, so I think it's gonna be a lot of movement. What I'm anticipating is that USD is gonna have a major move to the downside, that it's gonna lose a value. And because of this, I think that other currencies are gonna take a turn, because what we're seeing now in the market is just some currency just like pushing into the upside, one side only. And we're gonna go through this so we can see, especially here with our Flash demo account, you can see we are like in a major drawdown of 75%. Nothing like to worry, because this is a demo account where I wanted to like test different things, forward testing. And definitely what I'm seeing is that we need to update Flash, and the update is coming up this Saturday. It's going to be pushed to all your VPSs. And what we included in like a filter, let's say a filter, like an indicator that is going to filter more trades out. So that means that we're going to take only like really like more, how would I say, more precise trades. Okay, so it's not going to be so many trades, but we're going to take more precise trades. Also, I will start doing this week back testing, and I will be doing back testing on what I saw actually with Flash, that indices and gold are performing the best. This week I didn't do any profit because we messed something update on my VPS, so nothing gets running by me this week. I'm still in the drawdown. But anyway, what I saw is that the USD 30, it's like working amazing. You can see like 101 trades, 900. Then we have silver here. We have gold, and we also have USD tech, and that's USD 100. And you can see I started like running this like, I don't know, like 3 weeks ago, and it's like going like really good. You can also see the profit, and also then German 30. So what I will be doing back tests for USD 30, silver, gold, USD tech, and German 30. And I will be also creating one account that is only trading these 5 pairs. Why did I decide that? Because I see that they have like really low drawdown, and they're performing the best. You can see here on the FX monitor where we can see how much the trades are in minus open pairs. And you can see here JPY pairs, AUD JPY, CAD JPY, Swiss franc JPY, NZD JPY, USD JPY, like really like the worst JPY pairs. So I don't even think we're gonna trade them or do the back test. You can also see GBP, AUD, and Euro, NZD. They're just like on a run. They're just like going down, like they will turn, but like when they're gonna turn, I don't know. So maybe what I will do on these pairs that are like in such a major drawdown, I will just do like 2 trades for every 100 pips, in the range of 100 pips. They can only open up 2 trades to see if that's gonna help. But definitely we have other pairs that are performing amazing, and we can do and backtest only those pairs. So if we go back to my VPS, you can also see here I have here an account with $3,000. So we're running here just the regular pairs that we suggest: Euro USD, USD CAT, NZD CAT. I totally forgot that I even have this account. GBP USD, NZD USD, and GBP CAT. So the next thing, what we're gonna do here, it's like Flash Pro. I had it here like on the aggressive settings. I didn't even know that I have this account. So what we're gonna do here, we're actually gonna change this to 2 and 50 on every single pair. And these pairs are actually like really performing nice. Low drawdown, and my teams that they're running only these 6 pairs, like one pair for every 500 with these settings that you see that I'm putting in right here now. They said that the most what they saw like 10% drawdown, and they're like really happy. All the customers are really happy. So I will also get some FX books, because I know that one of my teams, they have more than 60 customers running these settings, and they're like really amazed, and they're like, oh, we are staying with Flash, it's awesome. And I think that now with a new update that we are pushing out on Saturday, it's gonna be even better, because it's gonna filter out more trades, and it's gonna get like into better trades. So you can see here GBP cat, also it's in like a little bit bigger drawdown. So GBP cat right now, here it's $741 in drawdown, and altogether drawdown it's 900. Definitely here also GBP cat, we have to be like one trade, 2 trades for every 50 pips. How I move that right here, so we can be on the safe side also. What we can look next, we can see here our demo account. You can see I don't even have Flash on it here, because we are making updates. So you can see here AUD JPY, it's slowly turning, and I really think that AUD JPY, my prediction is that like we will go at least like down like somewhere to here, because this was like a move of 900 pips. So definitely we have like a lot of downside to go. AUD USD, the same thing, it started to move downwards. CAD Swiss franc, we closed. CAD JPY also, definitely I'm predicting and looking at JPY, and JPY, it's actually lowest in the last 6 years. It was never so low how it's right now. So I think there are like some big moves also incoming on JPY pair, especially JPY is gonna get much stronger. Also, so you can see here Swiss franc, JPY, also like these JPY pairs, when they move, they move. You can see here, if we take a look before, they had like what, like 330 pips up and down. So they're like really consolidating pairs for the most of the time. But then you can see when they move, they make like really large movements. So uh, this is why I don't like to trade JPY pairs, especially with softwares, because you can see here 780 pip move, and then we had only like a reversal of 300 pips. So that means that with like a cost averaging software like how Flash and like also Gearbox, we wouldn't get out of these trades. And you can see also here then a move of 400 pips, you see. So altogether, if we look here from 2021, you can see here this was a move altogether of 1600 pips. Okay, so this is like really dangerous for software. So this is why I like always tell my people not to run any JPY pairs. Also Swiss franc pairs are like known to do that, but right now I see that Swiss franc pairs are working really nice. Also Euro NZD, it's a really volatile pair, so if you don't want to risk your capital, just like stay out of it, because you can see here this move, like a brutal move. We can see down here like 1800 pips, like in what, in a few weeks. Like this was like what, like 4 months, 3 months, like what a huge move it made. Euro AUD, it's working still nice. We have here, which pair is that? GBP AUD, you can also see the move here that it happened. GBP CAT, okay, it's making a move up. GBP JPY, GBP NZD, NZD CAT, NZD JPY. You can see also NZD JPY also like a crazy move. NZD USD, it's working really nice. Also USD CAT, it's working nice with flash. USD Swiss franc, also USD JPY, like just like cut it out like this pair. It's like bananas, doesn't work. But then you can see here actually like silver, how nice it closes the trades. Also gold, like really nice, like how it's like floating with the market. German 30 also. USD 30, you can see like catching moves like every single day. UK, I don't know if we had like some trades in. I know that it started like working on it, but also USD Tech, USD 100, amazing, like how it's trading USD Tech. So yeah, this is the next thing that I'm gonna try. The account only running indices, gold and silver. Let me see if there's any question. Oh my god, I didn't share the screen? Oh, uh, sorry. So yeah, what I was talking about, we will definitely remove some pairs, and also here we went like through all every single pair, and yeah, so definitely I will be doing the one account USD 30 and UK 100 and USD Tech, and all the silver and gold, like so only indices and gold and silver. And definitely I will be throwing out like the JPY pairs and be running only like the standard pairs. On one account you can see here, this is like a standard account with standard pairs. It is on the aggressive side because we say like one pair for every $1,000 on the account. And I know that like one person actually put it into the Flash Traders chat. He put in that like he's like only running USD 30, and we can see here, let me open up, and he's actually said, I can share the screen so you guys can see. And you can see here, this is like his account and total return. He did 10% monthly return, 35%, and weekly return 7%, and he's only running USD 30. So it's like working like really amazing. I will like also reach out to him to ask him what trades, what settings exactly he's running, because this is like a really amazing uh, result. So definitely I'm gonna reach out to him. But yeah, as you can see, JPY pairs, like just forget about them, don't even bother with them. It does make sense to even run them because they will always go on a run. So what I see is like the standard pairs, maybe like still Swiss franc pairs, and this is about it. So if there is like any questions, let me see. What lot size? What lot size you mean on USD 30? I will be running like the smallest lot sizes on the indices, and I will also check with our customer to see what lot size he is actually running. But on indices, you have to like first go on a demo account and put 0.01 lot size for indices, because I know that like every broker has like different lot sizes, like key to markets, like the smallest lot size for USD 30 and German 30, it's like one lot. Other brokers, I know you can run 0.01 lot sizes. So this is what would I suggest to you, to just go on a demo account and to figure out the lot sizes that your broker it's using for indices, to see how it's the right way, so you can actually calculate the right way. So uh, this is like really important. So guys, if there's like no more questions, I will close down this weekly call. I know that like, a lot of people had some bigger drawdowns, so this is like really was expected in this huge market. But yeah, definitely we are working on making it better and better. So guys, if there's no more questions, thank you for joining and talk to you soon. Bye.
There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.